Hey guys, so today what I'm going to talk about is our habitable planet. So we cover what is needed for life on a planet. So we have to have liquid water. We need that for, to sustain ourselves, like water to drink, water to feed life on Earth, things like that. We need oxygen. We need oxygen to breathe and to be able to grow things because without oxygen, pretty much nothing happens. We have to have protection from solar winds because without that protection, um, the sun's rays and those solar winds would completely like desecrate anything, any kind of life or any kind of growth on the planet. Then we also need soil. Soil allows plants to grow. It allows our rock cycle to happen. Just like that, we need sunlight. We need sunlight to warmth, to warm our planet, to warm our water so that we don't just have ice all the time. It helps keep our everything on the cycles going. We also have to have our atmosphere. Without our atmosphere, we would not be able to breathe. We would not have the warmth would not stay in our it wouldn't stay in our atmosphere if we lacked an atmosphere. The warmth from the sun's rays would just escape, and then we would be where we are. We would also need the protection from the sun's rays, and that kind of goes hand in hand with solar wind. Is that sun is so powerful that if we didn't have our atmosphere or to protect us from the sun's rays, we would kind of be burned away, I guess. And then it also requires carbon dioxide. So just like it requires oxygen, it also requires carbon dioxide. They kind of go hand in hand. So what exactly makes Earth habitable? Our mass, our position from the sun, and the magnetic field make Earth habitable. Why does Earth have an atmosphere? Um, we have an atmosphere because of our planet's mass and our planet's temperature. The mass gives our planet the gravitational pull on gas molecules, and it's what creates our atmosphere. It's what makes it just right for us to be able to sustain life here. The temperature goes hand in hand with it because it gives the molecules a higher velocity, and because of these conditions, it creates our atmosphere. All of this together creates our atmosphere and makes it so that we are able to live on this planet. Earth's magnetic field also makes our planet habitable. Our magnetic field has some important jobs. It keeps our planet protected from solar winds, so it makes sure that we're not receiving those harsh rays and everything. And then it helps keep our atmosphere. Our magnetic field pulls on it and keeps that atmosphere in place. And the reason that we have a magnetic field is thanks to our liquid outer core. So that kind of goes in hand with plate tectonics there. Our planet is also habitable thanks to soil. Soil allows plants to grow. It allows that rock cycle to happen, the igneous rocks and and when we get back into talking about sedimentary rocks and things like that, it allows that rock cycle to happen, and that's vital to our planet. It quite simply puts, it allows life to grow and thrive. So, with all of that together, Earth is habitable because our position from the sun, we are able to keep our planet warm. It heats up that liquid water and it makes sure that the cycle continues. Our mass, it allows us to keep our atmosphere. Our magnetic field, it allows us to hang on to our atmosphere, and it also protects us from those harsh solar winds. And then plate tectonics, they help us keep our magnetic field strong, and then it also goes hand in hand with that soil because of our rock cycle and how plate tectonics interacts with our rock cycle. And that is why Earth is habitable. Thanks, guys.